Kongsberg Automotive ASA, KOA, a auto components company based in Norway, received a lot of attention from a substantial price movement on the OB over the last few months, increasing to 11 Norwegian kroner and 80 øre at one point, and dropping to the lows of 8 Norwegian kroner and 76 øre. This high level of volatility gives investors the opportunity to enter into the stock, and potentially buy at an artificially low price. A question to answer is whether Kongsberg Automotive's current trading price of 8 Norwegian kroner and 76 øre reflective of the actual value of the small cap? Or is it currently undervalued, providing us with the opportunity to buy? Let's take a look at Kongsberg Automotive's outlook and value based on the most recent financial data to see if there are any catalysts for a price change. View our latest analysis for Kongsberg Automotive. What is Kongsberg Automotive worth? Great news for investors, Kongsberg Automotive is still trading at a fairly cheap price. My valuation model shows that the intrinsic value for the stock is 17 Norwegian kroner and 31 øre, which is above what the market is valuing the company at the moment. This indicates a potential opportunity to buy low. Although, there may be another chance to buy again in the future. This is because Kongsberg Automotive's beta, a measure of share price volatility, is high, meaning its price movements will be exaggerated relative to the rest of the market. If the market is bearish, the company's shares will likely fall by more than the rest of the market, providing a prime buying opportunity. Can we expect growth from Kongsberg Automotive? KOA future profit March 25, 18 future outlook is an important aspect when you're looking at buying a stock, especially if you are an investor looking for growth in your portfolio. Although value investors would argue that it's the intrinsic value relative to the price that matter the most, a more compelling investment thesis would be high growth potential at a cheap price. With revenues expected to grow by a double-digit 22.63% over the next couple of years, the outlook is positive for Kongsberg Automotive. If the level of expenses is able to be maintained, it looks like higher cash flows is on the cards for the stock, which should feed into a higher share valuation. What this means for you: are you a shareholder? Since KOA is currently undervalued, it may be a great time to increase your holdings in the stock. With an optimistic outlook on the horizon, it seems like this growth has not yet been fully factored into the share price. However, there are also other factors such as capital structure to consider, which could explain the current undervaluation. Are you a potential investor? If you've been keeping an eye on KOA for a while, now might be the time to make a leap. Its prosperous future outlook isn't fully reflected in the current share price yet, which means it's not too late to buy KOA. Before you make any investment decisions, consider other factors such as the track record of its management team. In order to make a well-informed buy, price is just the tip of the iceberg. Dig deeper into what truly matters, the fundamentals, before you make a decision on Kongsberg Automotive. You can find everything you need to know about Kongsberg Automotive in the latest infographic research report. If you are no longer interested in Kongsberg Automotive, you can use our free platform to see my list of over 50 other stocks with a high growth potential. Save hours of research when discovering your next investment with Simply Wall Street. Looking for companies potentially undervalued based on their future cash flows? Or maybe you're looking for sustainable dividend payers or high growth potential stocks. Customize your search to easily find new investment opportunities that match your investment goals. And the best thing about it? It's free. Click here to learn more.